C of negative infinity, infinity is the set of continuous functions, the functions that are continuous over the entire set of real numbers from negative infinity to infinity, right? So that's just a notation. Your book will explain it in more detail and with more specific wording, but maybe less intuitively. Okay? So, although I don't know what could be less intuitive than my explanation. Okay. What does M 2, 3 mean? Just a notation that you're going to encounter. Set of 2 by 3 matrices. Now you're going to be asked to prove that this is a vector space. No, actually, they're just asking the first problem to ask you to tell what the identity is, and the second problem, tell what the inverse is. Okay? I think you can do that. And if you surprise me and can't, you know, we'll figure out what to do. Then they ask you in exercises 13 through 28 of my version to prove the 10. I said there'd be between 8 and 12, right? I'm not sure how I'd expand it to 12, but you know, you can consolidate a couple of them. I think you get it down to 8, but there are 10 properties of vector spaces. Okay. So when I assign problems here, just do these 4. Okay? That might be one of the later ones that trips you up. Yeah, that causes it not to be a vector space. But on most of these problems, if the first 4 work, the remaining 6 will. Not necessarily so. Okay? Okay, well, I don't know why I'm... Yeah, okay, yeah, I'm giving you notations. P3 is a set of polynomials of degree 3. In the notation I've used, slightly abbreviated. This isn't. AX squared plus BX squared, don't want to make that look like a Y, do I? Plus CX plus D, right? Just like what you saw, except I've got an extra degree, so I've got to have an extra letter. Like I say, anything up to 26, we're all right. Then we got to go with subscripts. Okay? And let's see if there's anything else, just glancing at the section, any notations. I think that's pretty much it. As far as notations, okay?
Start using hieroglyphics after 26.
Yeah, but you know, you go far enough, you have a vector space whose dimension exceeds the number of particles in the known universe, and even if every one is a letter, you're not going to be able to do it, okay? You know, like an infinite dimensional space. Because usually you have a pattern that you can use to list those.